Hey y'all, it's your girl MZ.DEEDEE baby, back again with another video. Okay y'all, so we got the, what is it, the carnivore diet thing going on. Y'all, I had some steak left over from earlier, and I had some eggs in the refrigerator, so I said, you know what, let me try this. But I put a little sriracha on mine, y'all. And some avocado. That's pretty good. And I got the spicy sriracha, y'all, and this Texas Roadhouse sauce that we was trying earlier, y'all. It tastes so delicious. Okay, let me see. It's delicious. Love you guys. Bye.